G'day, I'm Adam from Opening Australia. I'm an immigration lawyer, and this is part 4 of my series to help Australian businesses who sponsor employees on a visa. This part 4, is all about the Skilling Australia Fund levy, which has just been introduced. The Skilling Australia Fund levy replaces the old training benchmarks. If you're an Australian business and you're listening to this video and you've utilised the employer-sponsored visa program, you know all about the training benchmarks, and the good news is that they're gone, and now they've, as I've just mentioned, been replaced by the levy. So the levy is payable in full at the time of nomination. How much the levy is depends on the size of your business and the visa category that you are applying for. I've written a blog to go along with this video where I set out how much that levy is. Feel free to have a look at it if you're interested. It has been advised that the Skilling Australia Fund levy will be tax deductible. What does the levy mean to your business? Well, it can be looked at in a couple of ways. Firstly, the levy, as I mentioned to you before, replaces the training benchmarks, which could be a tedious process. So it has actually simplified the nomination process, and that's good news. Now, the other news, which may or may not be good to you, is that the Skilling Australia Fund, as it has replaced the training benchmarks, means that you no longer get to claim money, the fees that you spent training your employees, as long as it was training the employees along the eligible criteria for the training benchmarks. You no longer get to claim that money, those expenses, towards training employees.